What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar. And well, have you ever seen such a beautiful double cheeseburger? What if I say that you can eat it with no regrets? Keep watching the video and you'll find the recipe. Let's have a quick look to the ingredients you need. For the burgers, I use 400 grams of lean ground turkey, 30 grams of breadcrumbs, 30 grams of shredded parmesan and 1 whole egg. About the rest, you need few slices of light cheese, some green salad, a tomato, an onion, and a beautiful burger bun to contain it all. Are you hungry already? Well, me too, so let's start to prepare our burgers. Put the ground turkey into a big bowl and add the breadcrumbs. Start mix it up a little bit, then proceed to add the parmesan and a pinch of salt. Now you can break the egg and start to work on your mixture until you got an homogeneous dough. Give it a rounded shape and place it on the cutting board. Chop it into 4 pieces, trying to make them even. Now pick one of these and start to give it the shape of an hamburger, so press it down to your own taste. But remember that you're doing a double cheeseburger, so make sure that your bun can contain 2 of these. Nice! Once you're done with all the burgers, we can take care of our dressings. Again, go with your own taste here. I use some little slices of onion, a couple of tomato slices, some green salad, and of course a couple of light but tasty cheese slices for each hamburger. You are finally ready to grill the burgers. To avoid them to stick on the grill, you can use some spray olive oil on the top of each. If you set the heat to medium-high, about 3 minutes are more than enough. Now turn the burgers face down and put a slice of cheese on top of each one. And watch them slowly melt. Delicious! Alright, place the buns on the grills about 15 seconds to get them warm and crispy. Now it's time to put together your double cheeseburger the way you like the most. Oh man, this is what porn really means to me. I would have one of these every day if I could. Oh wait, I actually can, as the macros for these are amazing as well. Tryharders, I hope you will enjoy this meal just as much as I did. If you didn't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next episode of Tasty Healthy Meals. Buon appetito!